Hi guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome and hello. So today's video, I have another PR package from Born Pretty. They was kind enough to send me another package, so thank you so much to Born Pretty. We're gonna swatch these, and I'm also gonna do a quick little nail design. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, what the colors look like, stay tuned, because you already know. We're gonna jump right into this video.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me.
Okay, so I believe this collection is called the Moroccan Candy Sweet Gel Collection. So how cute is this box? I love how sleek the black is. It has that black finish, and then it says shine. I don't know what that says in the background. I just know that says shine. I can't make out that part. But it has a little cute little bottle on there. I thought that was really cute. I like how they package their gel polishes. So without further ado, we're gonna jump right in. So in these particular boxes, you always get 6 colors. So, and they have the little peekaboo window, as I like to call it. So we're gonna go ahead and just remove all of those out. Okay, so I removed them all out of the packaging, and this is what the bottle looks like. It's 10 mLs, and it also has that little black matte finish on it, and it has the little gold ring, which I think is really cute. And here's all the information on the back of the bottle. And as always, guys, I will definitely leave the link for this if you guys are interested, as well as my discount code. So make sure you take advantage of that to save yourself some extra money. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. So this is BPCK01. I'm sorry. So this is a pastel collection. So this is the first color. This is so pretty. A little pastel yellow. Really pretty. I love Born Pretty gel polishes because they self-level and they have a really good consistency. Like, I haven't had, and I think I always say this, but I haven't had any issues with any of their polishes, and they're very reasonable. So if you guys are looking, you know, for something that's a little bit less pricier, but still gives you a good bang for your money, Born Pretty is definitely that, especially if you're starting off and you're trying to build up your collection. So the next one is CK02. And it's this pretty pastel purple. Really pretty. And as you can tell, like, their polishes, it's not super thick. They do have a thick consistency, but it's not thick and like some other polishes I've tried. Like, I really love their formula. So it's not runny, but it's not really thick either. So if you're looking for something that has more of a thicker consistency, this is definitely a go-to. So that's CK02, and then this one is CK03. And it's this very pretty purple. Very pretty. Then the next one is CK04. And it's a very pretty, it's like a mint or teal. It's actually looking darker to me on camera. It's weird because you could be recording and looking at your camera and the product will look darker, but then when you upload it, it actually shows the actual color. So like I said, right now, coming across looking at my screen, it's actually darker than what it actually shows in person. So, but overall, it's a pretty color. So the next one is CK05. And that is a pretty pink. Really pretty. I want to take the time to apologize. My last video, I don't know if anybody else has this issue. Like, I always try to watch my videos after I edit them. And when I play music, it sounds fine. But then when I go to upload it, the music tends to be higher than I would like, so you guys can't actually hear what I'm saying. So I had to actually re-upload my video. So if any of you guys watched it and couldn't get through it because the music was just too loud over me talking, I actually went back and re-uploaded it. So I want to say thank you to the person who commented on my video to let me know, because I didn't, like, once I upload it, I don't go and watch it. I try to watch it, you know, when I'm editing, and then I go back and check it. But like I said, for some reason, every now and again it does that. So I do apologize for that. So if you haven't checked that video out, make sure you go and check it out. So the last color is CK06, and it's this really pretty neutral color. It almost looks like a cream color to me, but then it has a hint of yellow in it, if that makes sense. So it's really pretty. This would be definitely a good color for like wet nails, or doing like using this as a background color and doing some nail art or foils over it. So it's definitely a good color to have in your collection. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna swatch. I'm gonna get my swatch sticks out, and we're gonna swatch these colors and see what they look like. Okay guys, so I went on and I labeled my swatch sticks, and then I gave them a quick wipe down with some alcohol, because if you know, when it comes to polishing swatch sticks, it always have lint. Even when you don't see it, it's there. So I did my best. So this is the first color, CK01. Okay guys, so here are all 6 colors, and I did add a second coat of polish off camera as well as the top coat, and I used the Born Pretty super top coat, 7 ml bottle. So these are all of the colors. They are so pretty. They even, I don't know, they scream spring and Easter, but they are such beautiful colors. And the consistency, like I said, is great. Like, you can't go wrong with Born Pretty products. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna create a little nail look for you guys. Okay guys, so I'm going in with my black nail tips, and then I'm going to be using CK04, which is this pretty teal looking color. So what I want to do is I'm only going to do half the nail in that color, and the other half is going to stay black. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It came out so pretty. I like that design. It's really cute. So of course I went in with the matte top coat. I showed you guys that. So if you guys stay to the end of this video, thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload another video. And as always guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
Tuesday, he gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed. I know what I need.